Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a detailed video on how to do a full crochet wig. This is the hair that I'm going to be using, and I have it in the length 18 inch. And what I'm going to do is cut the 18 inch in half, and then I'm going to have shorter pieces like this because I'm not planning on wearing the wig long. So this is the cap that I have. As you can see, the holes on the sides are bigger and the holes at the top are smaller. And then I have nail glue. You can use any type of nail glue, but I'm using like Kiss nail glue. So I'm going to start off by hooking the hair through and then pulling it through like this, and then I'm going to tie it in a knot. Now this is one way that you can do it, and once you got the knot, just put some glue on the knot just to hold it, and then pull the hair apart. Now when you pull the hair apart, it is going to make it bigger. What I like to do is spread out the crochet because you don't want them like right on top of each other. And so as you can see, this time I actually knotted it with the crochet needle, which is really easy for me, and it makes me, well, it helps me move quicker. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just spreading them out until I get it filled in all the way, or as full as I want it. And it's really easy. You're just crocheting, in different spots or whatever. I did end up using two and like a little bit of the third pack. So this is still the first pack, and I'm still have, some of the first pack left. So as you can see, once I start crocheting, it starts to fill in. And so I'm going to tell you a little bit about the hair, y'all. The hair is really nice, especially for crochet hair. I didn't get much tangling, much shedding at all. I got 3 packs of 18, like I said, and I cut it in half. That will definitely save you money if you do that. They were like $6.99 a pack at the beauty supply store that I went to. They also had like the 12-inch packs, but I would have had to get like maybe 4 or 5 of the 12 packs when I could have just got 3 18s, cut it in half. Boom. And then you save some money. And also, like, the 12-inch pack was $6.99 too, so I was like, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so at the top of the cap, this is where the holes are smaller. They're smaller so that you can put your crochets closer together because everyone wants like fullness on the top. So what I ended up doing was putting the whole second pack in the top of this wig. And that's just gonna give it fullness. Now this hair is a little different from the other crochet hair. Most crochet hair, it frizzes easy and it makes the wig look fuller than it is. This hair is more on like the medium to thin side. So with me putting all of the second pack in the top, it didn't make it look too full. It just, made it look full enough. Alright, so y'all, this is 2 whole packs. And what I did was use the third pack just to fill in like around the sides and around the nape area. But yeah, this is super easy to make. As you can see, it took me like an hour to make this, which is not bad at all. So I decided to cut some bangs on it or whatever, and this is how it ended up looking. The curl pattern is bomb, y'all. I hope that you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching this video.